Coimbatore best. Coimbatore best. Tirumala is a waste.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
It's 5 a.m. in the morning and I am right now at Tirumala market, which is almost about 30 kilometers away from central Chennai. This market is bustling with tempos and trucks with people buying and selling their vegetables. This is the makeshift market which came into being around 10th May after one of Asia's largest wholesale markets, Coimbatore, was shut down. Coimbatore was shut down after there was a spurt in COVID-19 cases due to panic buying which took place. However, there is just one difference between Tirumala market and Coimbatore market. Coimbatore was in the middle of the city while Tirumala is about 30 kilometers away from the city. This poses problems for both sellers and buyers of vegetables. While also Coimbatore was a small and relatively smaller and closed market, Tirumala is larger and ensures social distancing. However, this comes with its own set of problems. Let's talk to a few people, both buyers and sellers alike, to understand what these problems are and whether this opening of this makeshift market has made their life easier or not.
Sales is very much affected because of this shift. Here, we do not have anything to stock the vegetables, hence the vegetables are wasted. Tirumala market is very far from where we come. We are not able to bear the charges of the vehicle and diesel. In Coimbatore, we used to come in groups of 3 or 4, but now only 2 of us are allowed to enter the market. Another problem with this market is there are no retailers. As a result, we are not able to sell all goods. We come here to buy potatoes, onions, garlic. The rate is okay, but we are not able to sell everything. Hence, the vegetables are getting wasted.
The buyers and sellers in the market are not happy that it was shifted to the outskirts of the city. They complain that their profits have reduced as the cost of transportation has increased. They demand that the market be shifted back to Coimbatore. However, the Tamil Nadu government has announced that this temporary market will stay as long as the COVID crisis does. As the sun rises, we travel back to the city. We are heading towards the Coimbatore market. In the heart of Chennai, the Coimbatore Wholesale Market Complex was established in 1996 and is nearly 65 acres. The market was shut earlier this month as many labourers, vendors, sellers were tested positive for COVID-19 and it emerged as one of the country's largest coronavirus clusters. What was once a vibrant and crowded market and known to be one of Asia's largest wholesale markets for vegetable, fruit and flowers, Coimbatore market is now deserted. All that is left are small-time loaders in the abandoned shops, abandoned rickshaw carts, dogs and a few cows. Coimbatore market was shut down as it became one of India's largest COVID-19 clusters. After this, it has been sealed by the state government of Tamil Nadu and it has been shifted. The market has been shifted to Tirumala. This has created problems for quite a few.
Due to lockdown, most of us stayed back, but then the market was shut and we were unemployed. Among us, only half of people are allowed to work at Tirumala.
The workers for whom the market has been home for years say that they don't know where else they will go. The police keeps asking them to leave. They say that they have tested negative but are still asked to leave.
Workers at the market are starving. Whether people die because of corona or not, they will die because of starvation. If we get any commuting facility, we will leave.
One has to see if the shifting of the market can be a solution. With Manisha Mandal, this is Revati Krishnan for The Print.